Let's talk about additional equipment to consider for the home office of your dreams. You have to think about, of course, this is your home office. So we have a computer, we have a telephone or a portable telephone. Our computer, it could be wireless or it could be hooked up accordingly, but additional equipment to think about. If your home office can allow you enough space to put things in, don't forget about things like fax machines or photocopiers or any additional equipment that is important to you and the nature of your business. Some interesting things though to think about if you are very limited for your space. Many printers out there nowadays can be sort of an all-in-one. Your printer is your fax machine, is your photocopier, and so on and so forth. It's amazing that we have so many, not necessarily like 2-in-1 products, but even 3, 4, 5-in-1 products. Again, a printer is a very good example of being the fax machine, the copier, and so on and so forth. But again, think about any additional equipment that you want to be incorporating while you are making a plan for your room so that in the end, everything is not getting crammed in.